What attracted me to Welsh Water was the fact that I wanted to get into engineering. Then I came across the Welsh Water apprenticeship and realised that that was kind of everything I was looking for in a job. Outside of work, I play roller derby for a local team called the Tiger Babe Brawlers. That's kind of brought a confidence in myself, in both my physical and mental ability. My role is ICA Apprentice, which stands for Instrumentation, Automation and Control. It's pretty awesome. I'm not stuck in an office, I get to be outside, I get to see some really beautiful locations, and it's just constantly different and always interesting. It's a really supportive environment. My mentor, who I spend most of my days with, is really great. If ever I've got any questions I need to ask, he's always got the answers. He's really supportive. If I ever need help with my college work, he's always ready to help me with that too.